Guess who's back to run for president? Everyone's favorite socialist, Bernie Sanders. That's who. He threw his hat into the ring officially on Tuesday, and that means we'll hear the buzzwords of Medicare-for-all for the next 2 years. Bernie and his bros seem to be under the opinion that Americans love government-run healthcare unlike ever before. There's just one problem. Recent polls suggest just the opposite is true. According to a just-published Morning Consult poll, support for his government takeover of health insurance has fallen by 50%. Morning Consult tracks the net support number, which is the difference between the share of supporters and opponents. In January, that net support number was 27, and in February, it's dropped to just 12. Going back even further, support has really tanked, because as of December, the net difference was a whopping 30. So if you're following along at home, that's a drop of over 50% in just 2 months. The loss of support for Bernie's pet project has been nearly universal, with Democrats dropping from 67 to 56, Independents going from 25 to 14, and Republicans dropping from -13 to -34 in the last month alone. The numbers also suggest that support is going down for government-run healthcare of any kind, as a Morning Consult survey in July 2018 had 62% of likely voters likely to support a candidate who backed establishing a government-run health system. Fast forward to this month, and support is down to 50%. However, Americans seem to love the idea of giving some form of a public option as long as private insurance is still there. All voters support a public option at 76%, while Democrats support at 81%, Independents at 72%, and even Republicans support at 75%. So this should be a fun ride over the next 2 years. This has also been By the Numbers. I'm Andrew Coppins, and let's continue talking over on Twitter at The Coppins Show.